I'm Mike Tilke, the Executive Director for the Eastern Shore Entrepreneurship Center. And we're here this weekend in Salisbury, Maryland, with a group of young programmers and hardware developers in order to participate in the second annual NASA's International Space Apps Challenge. We're one of 80 locations around the world where teams get together to collaborate independently or with each other in order to arrive at solutions for a number of challenges that NASA has put forth.
For our team, we have at least one person interested in each different area. So if you get us into contact with, or give us a method or links to get into contact with any of your different subsections that we can then move from, that'd be really great.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, Selena's going to get someone from hardware, but I think what I'll do is I'll get the main contacts and I'll email you. Because you put your email on HackPad, yeah? And then I'll send their emails, and then you can try to set up a dialogue, maybe. That would be the best thing.
Okay.
All right, that'd be nice. Yeah.
So,
okay, I'll just wait till Selena comes back, because maybe the hardware guy has something to say, but otherwise you guys could just maybe start having discussions one-on-one. Because they made quite a lot of progress, amazingly. I mean, we have about 20 people here.
wow.
More than we expected, so it's...
The way that we're communicating with teams today is we're using various social media websites such as Twitter, Google+, Facebook, and then we also have a Ustream feed going where everyone can see us talking through the Space Apps website on HackPad and Skype.
Our team in Salisbury is working with a group in London to develop a soil test kit for agriculture that will transmit data via the web and satellite.
Million from Salisbury University, and my expertise is in environmental studies, specifically around agriculture, and I'm working on the hardware part of the soil test kit project.
My name is Nick Mosier. I'm a sophomore at Nando High School, and I'm here doing programming, trying to help with the soil test kit project.
It's Jenny Lovell. I'm at Nando High School as well, and I tend to work on more mechanical things, but today I'm working on scientific stuff and the measurements involved in the project.
Hello, my name is Nigel Meese. I am a sophomore at the Eastern Shore Community College, finishing up my electronics program, soon to be graduating. I am hardware. I work on the hardware solutions for this problem that we've endeavored to solve in collaboration with a number of other teams around the world, including London and one over in San Diego, among others. So I've been trying to figure out how to interface a lot of new technologies like the Raspberry Pi to help test soil in various areas.
And this would have an agricultural use, primarily?
Primarily.
Sheena Hicks. I'm from Salisbury University. My major is in earth science and also atmospheric science. I've been helping develop a Google document that could be used for a manual to test soils and what kind of parameters you would use for moisture and pH.
I think the community colleges often are underappreciated for the contribution they make in the training of the workforce that supports the innovation and technology industries, as well as those students that then choose to go on to four-year institutions. We have a lot of students that were graduating from places like Salisbury University, UMES, and Delaware State here right in the Delmarva that can provide the talent necessary to advance those industries. Another great opportunity for the region is for our students who graduate from our technology and engineering schools and our business schools to create new businesses. One new burgeoning industry is 3D manufacturing. The Eastern Shore is oftentimes not recognized for the manufacturing that already exists here. But if we're going to try to reclaim manufacturing from its movement overseas, we need to take advantage of advancing 3D manufacturing. So I think there's great opportunities for our students who are very creative to develop these kinds of activities that would provide economic benefit to the region. A lot of our economic development activity in the region really needs to take advantage of some of the resources that we already have here, such as Wallops Flight Facility.
I've been having post hats all
There's
day.
great opportunities for growth in the area of commercial space launches, unmanned aerial vehicles, and we have a lot of students that were graduating from places like Salisbury University, UMES, and Delaware State here right in the Delmarva that can provide the talent. The Eastern Shore Entrepreneurship Center is playing a leadership role in the development and execution of the hotdesk.org co-working space initiative. We're working with other service providers and other partners in the economic development and entrepreneurial ecosystem. But the whole point of hotdesk.org is to create a place that affords an opportunity for a community to develop and a place for networking of individuals who are like freelancers, coders, hackers, designers, developers. And there are a good number of them here on the Eastern Shore in the Delmarva region, but a lot of times they don't get an opportunity to escape the isolation of working at home or of getting together and collaborating on projects together.
So you're providing a place for these people to meet?
Physical space for them to meet, yes. As well as the fact of the events that we put on within the hotdesk.org location. Such as weekend hackathons, startup weekends, opportunities for them to get together, collaborate, even socialize, other than going to maybe a coffee shop or collaborating somewhere like that in a public space.
And you can still get coffee here.
And you can get unlimited coffee, water, popcorn, the whole bit.